The Lubluelu Robot Vacuum 3000 PA is a state-of-the-art appliance equipped with LDS 9.0 LiDAR mapping technology, enabling it to adapt to various home environments and execute efficient route planning. This robotic vacuum cleaner can be controlled through a Smart Life app, allowing you to monitor the cleaning route, adjust cleaning settings, and even set no-go zones for customized cleaning. With a powerful brushless motor and suction of up to 3000 PA, the Lubluelu Robot Vacuum 3000 PA can effectively pick up dust, pet hair, and dirt, even those hidden deep in carpets and crevices. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo cleans your room deeply using a precision microcontrol water pump and Y-shaped mopping, simulating manual mopping and leaving your floor impeccably clean. This device comes with various cleaning modes, including automatic cleaning, edge cleaning, zone cleaning, and more, and can set up to 10 restricted areas based on your needs. Featuring AI recognition technology, the Lubluelu Robot Vacuum 3000 PA can avoid obstacles and even cross obstacles up to 18 millimeters, making it a smart and safe cleaning solution for your home.